Hey guys, my name's Yvette and welcome to my DIY channel, and I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today's video, I want to share with you how I made some really fast and easy Halloween magnets. For these magnets, I'm going to be using these Halloween molds that I got from Amazon, and I'll make sure to link these down in the description box. And then to make these little magnets, I'm going to be using Plaster of Paris, and if you've ever worked with this stuff, make sure to wear gloves and preferably like a mask, or at least be in a really well ventilated area. The ratio of Plaster of Paris is 2:1, so I'm going to be doing a total of 200 grams of the powder to 100 grams of water, and then you have 8 minutes to work with this before it starts to harden. And this sets after 30 minutes. I'm using a spoon to help me fill up my molds, and I'm not filling these up all the way because if I did, these magnets would come out super thick and I don't want that. Now I'm just tapping the tray to spread the plaster everywhere and to get rid of the air bubbles. And so yeah, then I'm just going to put these aside and let them dry and work on my next tray. And then add more plaster if your little figures need it. But yeah, so this one is also pretty much done, so I'm gonna let this dry. It's been exactly 30 minutes, and now I'm gonna demold all of these. All of these little Halloween figures came out so good. If you don't have Plaster of Paris and you want to try this, I would also recommend using Resincrete, which I also use all of the time. These do take a full 24 hours to fully cure, so I'm going to wait that time before I start to paint. You could sand these if you needed to, but I think they came out just fine, so I'm going to paint all of them using acrylic paint. I'm going to seal these using Krylon's Triple Thick Crystal Clear Glaze. Now that the sealer has dried, I'm going to attach the magnets to the back of these, and we're done. Okay guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you guys try this out and subscribe for more DIYs and stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!